Welcome to Easy Feedback. I am Dennis and I will show you in the next few minutes how you can create your own survey. If you don't have an account at Easy Feedback so far, just click here on the top right on Create Survey, create an account, and then you can directly start. After you have created your account, you will be connected immediately to the Easy Feedback survey tool. To create a new survey, simply click on Create New Survey above here, and then you have the option to start without a template, to use your own templates again, or to customize the existing Easy Feedback templates to your individual needs. The templates are all for free. You can use them all and customize them individually. As soon as you have created a survey, you can directly enter the survey. Here you have the possibility to set the welcome page to address your participants. You can build multiple question pages and place as many questions as you want on each page because there is no limit. You can easily move the questions from one position to the next. And if you want to add something new here, you get the choice of questions here. Here are all our question types. Just choose the question type you need or add a text, an image, a video, an audio, a separator, or a new page. Simply build the questionnaire the way you need it. Once you have done that, you can easily preview the questionnaire by clicking on Preview in the upper right of this page. That means, click on Preview, and then you always get your current state and can see exactly what the participant also sees to make a test. To give the survey its own layout and adapt the whole thing to the corporate design or to your situation, you can simply click on Layout up here and create individual layouts. Use the plus button to create a new layout. Here you can place a background, you can upload a logo, adjust the font, and also adjust other colors. Once you have saved it, the preview below will show you how it will look later. You simply go back to the overview, click on your survey, go to the settings and choose the layout here. Here you can select all your layouts and define the whole design for each survey individually. Simply save the settings and click on Preview again. And now you have created your own survey with your own texts, with your own questions and with your own design, and you are ready to go.